Hi viewers, welcome to this new video lecture series. This is video lecture number 2. We are in the topic of industrial engineering management in the video lecture 1, and we are going to see the evolution of the industrial engineering concepts in this video lecture. Come, let us join. And this is going to be the evolution of the optimization process in the manufacturing activities. First of all, we have to understand what is meant by manufacturing and what makes manufacturing different from the production. Production is all about making an activity to change the property or the geometry or the size or the shape of the given raw material. Say, for example, a wood can be considered as a raw material, and after carving some of the portions of the wood, it can be changed to a different shape. If it is changed to a different shape, then the activity that is involved over the wood material for changing the shape is called as the manufacturing activity. And after the manufacturing activity, after the production activity is over, then the component we obtain after the activity is called as the end product or the product. So this is all about the production activity, an activity that is essential to change the size, shape and geometry of the given raw material. Raw material is the starting point of any production activity. Whereas manufacturing is going to be the larger set of the production activity. See, for example, if you are implementing the management system in order to enhance the productivity or the efficiency of the production, then that can be called as the manufacturing activity. Say, for example, if you are producing a material by making an activity, example, turning operation or milling operation or grinding operation or the drilling operation, then the operation itself is called as the production process. Whereas if you are implementing any of the methods to improve the efficiency, say for example, we can implement the 5S concept, which is all about segregating all the components in the right place. So that is going to be one of the methodologies, and Kaizen is going to be one of the another methodology which involves the improvement of a particular criteria in a step-by-step slow and step-by-step manner. So we have a number of methodologies in the manufacturing scenario. If these activities, these criteria are added together to a particular production process, then the production process, which is a smaller set, gets converted into a larger set, which can be called as the manufacturing. So if you consider manufacturing as a larger circle, then the production is going to be a smaller circle inside the larger circle, manufacturing. This is all about the introduction about the manufacturing and the production. And the optimization in the manufacturing activity always happens over the years. Say, for example, in the earlier years, the production started, and the activity of making a raw material into a finished product or the end product always happened during the start of the industrial revolution. So scientific management, that is the Frederick W Taylor's baseline for work efficiency, started some 2 centuries back. And Henry Ford has given a revolution which is termed as the continuous flow in the manufacturing of the automobiles, where he invented the assembly line production. And after the evolutions come one by one, we move to the Six Sigma concepts and the lean manufacturing concepts. Now we term this as the Lean Six Sigma methodology, which is all about eliminating the waste in a process, in the manufacturing process, and including the statistical quality control to improve the efficiency of the particular manufacturing activity. Then we come to the Industrial Revolution 4.0, which is called Industry 4, which integrates all the components such as the Internet of Things and cyber physical systems in order to improve the efficiency of the system. Now we are moving straight away to the Industry 5.0, where the shift towards the human-centric and sustainable manufacturing, it happens. We are in the Industry 4.0, and already the research over Industry 5.0 and the attempt to advance to the next level of industrial revolution, that is to the Industry 5.0, it happens nowadays. For the industrial engineering, we have a life cycle for any kind of product. See, for example, this is going to be the picture that clearly depicts what happens inside the engineering environment or the industrial engineering environment. So the key point here is all about the continuous improvement in every process we take up during the manufacturing activity. It is not about the focus only on the production. It is all about all the activities that are necessary to convert a material into a from a raw material to a finished product. All the activities must be audited, must be cleanly watched, and those methods or methodologies or the process must be improved in a continuous way. That is why we stress on the continuous improvement. So the activities behind the manufacturing of any activity or giving any services to the customers, it involves a number of factors such as the process planning, resource allocation, production planning, manufacturing. And after manufacturing, if it reaches the customer, then the customer has to give the feedback to the manufacturing vendor so that he can improve the product to a greater efficiency. Then the product has to be distributed, and how the distribution happens only after the quality inspection, and the product that has to be procured from the raw material vendor must be stored in the industry, and the stored material has to be allocated to the workstations. And after the manufacturing activity is over, those materials must be handled. The final products must be handled in a safe way, and it must reach the customer. So this is all about inventory management and the customer requirement, the product design. All these factors happen, and all these factors continually strive to improve the methods and process in order to give a final satisfied product to the customer. This is all done by the continuous improvement techniques we follow for any kind of manufacturing activity.